Day 16 is upon us, and today I want to introduce you to the beet green. Now, if you're lucky, you go to the store and you buy beets and they come with beet greens attached. However, most of us don't know that we're that lucky, because beet greens contain the vast amount of nutrients. If you have to choose between beet greens and beets themselves, these are much more nutritious. So most of us bring these home, we cut the beet greens off and chuck them, and then we use the beets for whatever recipe. We should actually use these in smoothies, which is exactly what we're gonna do today. So in today's smoothie, we're gonna use beet greens for our green. We are not gonna put beets in our smoothie because in my experience, root vegetables and fruits don't combine very well. They sometimes give you a little gas. So we want not to upset our stomach, and thus I recommend using these in a salad, in a soup, make a borscht somewhere if you will, if you want to be stereotypical Russian. You make a beet soup called borscht. So beet greens in the blender, here we go. Whoop. Beet greens are also like Swiss chard, so their stems are pretty tender. They're not bitter at all, so you can throw the entire greens into the blender. We have one pear with the seeds, half a banana, half an apple or one small apple. This is a small apple, so I'm gonna use that. You can hear my kitty in the background. And you could either do a pitted fresh peach, or here I have frozen peaches. So I'll throw those in. And 1 pint of water. Here we go. And this is a red smoothie. How pretty is that?